In Part 2, Chapter 1 of How to Win Friends and Influence People, Dale Carnegie reveals a deceptively simple principle. Do this, and you will be welcome anywhere. Become genuinely interested in other people. Carnegie opens with a striking observation. Why do we love dogs so much? Because a dog is the one creature that doesn't need to work for a living. A dog doesn't try to sell you anything. A dog doesn't criticize you. A dog's entire existence radiates genuine joy at seeing you. That unconditional interest is magnetic. Carnegie then shares the story of Howard Thurston, one of the greatest magicians of his era. Night after night, Thurston packed theaters. His secret was not just sleight of hand. Before every performance, he stood backstage and repeated to himself, "I love my audience. I love my audience." That genuine warmth crossed the footlights and made people feel valued. It was the foundation of his success. Theodore Roosevelt was another master of this principle. His valet, James Amos, once wrote that Roosevelt greeted every servant by name, from the kitchen maid to the stable boy. He remembered personal details and asked about their families. People adored him, not because of his power, but because of his authentic curiosity about their lives. Carnegie drives the point home with research and everyday examples. He notes that the New York Telephone Company conducted a study on the most frequently used word in phone conversations. It was the word I. People are overwhelmingly interested in themselves. So when you flip that script and become genuinely interested in them, you stand out instantly. The key word here is genuinely. Carnegie warns against manipulation or fake flattery. People can sense insincerity from a mile away. The goal is not to trick others into liking you. The goal is to cultivate a real habit of curiosity and care. When you ask someone about their day and truly listen, when you remember a detail they mentioned weeks ago, you create a bond that no technique can manufacture. So here is the actionable takeaway from Chapter 1. Starting today, practice becoming genuinely interested in the people around you. Ask questions, listen with full attention, remember names and details. As Carnegie puts it, you can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. That is the power of genuine interest, and it will make you welcome anywhere.